Hey guys, welcome to the channel, or welcome back to the channel. This is basically a hair makeup kind of channel. So you'll see a lot of hair videos, a lot of makeup videos, or like reaction videos or something. So today I'm going to be doing my sister's hair. She just got out of the shower. I'll be blow drying it and styling it and stuff. So you'll see that in the video. So first off, I'm going to be using this blow dryer. It's the Conair Infinity. Looks like this. I don't know if you can see it, but so that's what I'm going to be using, and I'm going to be turning it all the way up, but I'm not going to be turning it to the very, very hot, because it's kind of not good for your hair. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and blow dry her hair real quick, and then I'll see you once it's done. So before I start blow drying her hair, I just wanted to know off as when you brush your hair or when you comb your hair, make sure you go from the bottom up, because if you just start at the top, then you're just brushing like out all of your hair, and that's not good for your hair at all. So I just wanted to note that in the video, because a lot of people just brush from top to bottom. So okay, so I am done blow drying her hair. Some of it's still a little damp, but that's okay. So it's nice and soft. It's not as dry as it was before. So if you take a look here, her hair is naturally very curly, but it doesn't look like that right now, because I did blow dry it with a brush, and it kind of straightened it as I blow dried it. So there's a thing right there. As you can see, her ends are a little curly. They swoop up. So now I'm going to put some Suave Keratin Infusion, I don't know if you can see that, in her hair. It's a leave-in conditioner. So you just leave it in. You apply it to a damp or dry hair, and comb it through to distribute the whole thing evenly. So that's what I'm going to do now. Now that I have put the leave-in conditioner in, it did kind of like damp her hair because it was like a wet-based thing. So I'm going to go ahead and put some of my coconut oil and vitamin E oil in her hair, just to make sure when I do her hair that it'll still remain healthy. I just realized how many times I say in this video. I am so sorry for that. Okay, so I straightened her hair, and I just brushed through it. It's a little wavy at the top. That doesn't really matter, I guess. So as you can see, she has kind of like thin hair. So I'm gonna be like I'm gonna be braiding it so it looks like she kind of has like fairly thicker hair. So yeah, I'll probably need a step stool knowing I'm 4'10½", but I think it'll work. Okay, so I'm going to be doing like kind of like a flowery braid, where it's like kind of fluffy. I'll insert a picture somewhere, like right here, I don't know, somewhere. So that's what I'll be doing. Oh my god. So, I will go ahead.
So right
and
there,
get
when I said,
that,
"Oh my god," and laughed, my sister showed me a meme.
So now you are going to see me just like kind of pull out her hair in the front and make it look like it's like kind of messy. So you're gonna keep doing that a few times. And pull it out as much as you want, or as little as you want. So then it looks kind of like a messy braid, kind of. I guess that's what you would call this. Okay, so there was the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe for more videos, comment what I should do next, and leave a like.